Guys, what's up? Welcome to the 30-second challenge. So today we're going to do something different. I thought that we can do the 30-second makeup challenge, but with Kim Kardashian's Met Gala look. So wish me luck. I'm so excited. I don't know if you can do anything in 30 seconds, but we can obviously try it. So let's get into the video. Okay, so we have 30 seconds on the clock, and in 3, 2, 1, go! Ah! Oh my god, 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 oh my god. 25 seconds. Oh my gosh, that's so big. That's so close. I don't think anybody just got. Oh my god, 11 seconds. Oh my god, 1 second! Oh my god. Oh my god. So this is Kim Kardashian's Met Gala look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I didn't even get to lips. Anyway, I was already setting myself up for a last one. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. See you guys in another video. Bye guys.